Are you tired of wading through endless quotes, wondering why your adhesive pricing is going up every year? Understanding how adhesive manufacturers determine their pricing might be key to your budgetary practices. In this video, we'll cover these issues by going over what adhesive manufacturing is and how the pricing structure works. Adhesive manufacturing is the process of turning raw materials like rubber, acrylic, plastic, silicone, and other chemicals into adhesive products, such as products like rolls of tape, liquid adhesives, liners, or backing products. This process transforms the material for further processing or for direct consumer use. One example of adhesive manufacturing is the creation of polyethylene tape. The process begins with manufacturers purchasing petrochemicals to create synthetic rubber adhesives. Additional materials like those for backings and liners are processed and combined. Large-scale machinery then applies the adhesive to a polyethylene backing, resulting in massive tape logs, often referred to as jumbo rolls. These jumbo logs are typically sold to converters who are able to convert them into individual parts for the end application. Several factors affect the cost of adhesive manufacturing. Raw material pricing plays a significant role, as the cost and availability of materials like rubber, petrochemicals, and acrylics can fluctuate due to supply chain disruptions and surges in demand. Global events and regulations can also have a major impact. For example, regulations that are beneficial, like ethical rubber sourcing and environmental protection, can increase the overall cost of materials. Another example of growing demand increasing the cost of raw materials is the popularity of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles require specialized materials in order to make their batteries. Anybody who is using these materials before electric vehicles has seen a significant increase in their cost of materials because of the popularity of them now. When purchasing adhesives, it's important to consider your specific needs and the most effective way to meet them. If your application requires only an off-the-shelf product in bulk quantities, then buying directly from an adhesive manufacturer may make sense. However, if you require specific shapes or sizes in a customized format, working with a converter may be a better option. Converters are able to tailor the product to your specific needs in order to reduce your overall production costs. Engaging with a converter early in your process can lead to a more effective design process as well as production process, which will save you money in the long run. If you want to learn more about converting, you can reach out to us directly or visit our Learning Center. Thanks for watching.